Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a deep dive into the products that promise to keep you feeling your best inside and out. Now, if you're someone who struggles with getting into those hard-to-reach spots between your teeth, you're not alone. Whether you're dealing with braces, implants, or just want to make sure you're cleaning every nook and cranny, today we're talking about something that could seriously level up your dental care routine. But before we jump into all the details, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new review. Let's talk about the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Bulk Refills, Moderate, a game changer for people who want an easy, effective way to clean between their teeth. These refills are designed to fit the GUM Permanent Handle or GUM Dual-Ended Handle, offering a simple yet hygienic solution for cleaning between your teeth, especially when flossing just doesn't cut it. Now, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens come with soft bristles that slide effortlessly between your teeth to remove plaque and food particles that regular brushing might miss. It's perfect for those with moderately spaced teeth, and if that's you, you'll really appreciate how easy it is to use these interdental brushes. Let's talk specifics. The moderate size is designed for those with moderate gaps between their teeth. If your teeth are more tightly spaced, or if you have wider gaps, don't worry. GUM also offers tight and wide options to fit your needs. But here's the big win. These brushes are perfect for anyone with braces, implants, or dental appliances. The nylon-coated wire is gentle enough to clean around these fixtures without causing any damage. No more worrying about scratching or annoying galvanic shocks when you're cleaning your appliances. That's a huge bonus for people with braces or other dental work. I've been using the Proxabrush Go-Betweens for a while now, and I have to say, they've been a great addition to my dental routine. The bristles feel soft but sturdy, and they slide between my teeth with ease. It's amazing how much cleaner my mouth feels after just a few uses, and I love how I can quickly get in between my teeth without the hassle of traditional floss. Plus, the fact that they're treated with a hygienic solution means I don't have to worry about germs building up on the brushes, and I get up to 10 days of use from each one. Now, like any product, there are pros and cons. On the plus side, these brushes are super easy to use, they work well on both teeth and appliances, and they really help in removing plaque and food debris. They also come in bulk, so you're getting a lot of value for the price. On the downside, I did find that they're best suited for moderate gaps. If you have tighter or wider gaps, the other brush sizes would be better suited for you. In terms of value, I think the price is pretty justified, considering the number of brushes you get in the pack and the quality of the product. If you're someone who's serious about maintaining oral health, especially if you have braces or other dental appliances, this product is definitely worth the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are a few options in the market, but the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens definitely stand out for their quality and ease of use. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, I'd recommend checking out other interdental brush brands, but based on my experience, GUM seems to be the go-to for most people who care about a gentle, effective clean. To wrap it up, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Bulk Refills, Moderate, are a fantastic option for anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene routine. Whether you're dealing with braces, implants, or just want a more thorough clean, these brushes deliver exactly what they promise. They're gentle, effective, and a great value for the price. I'd highly recommend them if you're serious about your dental health. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.